Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, physical illness, mental illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to fix that. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But first, your word of the day is Sagittarius. You're in the greatest place. You're in God's hands, the safest, most powerful, impactful place that you can be. Allow yourself in this time to be molded to your supreme form. So where you're going, where you're manifesting and going into a winning season, a season of prosperity. You're coming out of a season of darkness, hardness, of being able of obstacles, and now you're coming into a place of ease, a place of your manifestations, a place where your service is second nature, and you get max benefit. So when you're in God's hands, ask the right questions. Take full advantage as you pray, as you meditate, you're out in the elements. Ask those questions for longevity so you can keep your blessings, maintain them. Think of ideas and questions that are not the typical things so you can continue to flow. Think of yourself, think of your gifts, and think of excelling in every way, shape, or form. I trust. My trust in life is implicit, God's greater knowing, and grace love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady and I remain true to my light. Stay true to yourself. Remember how you got to God's hands. Everyone doesn't qualify, but you're in the presence of the Most High, and they're prepping you, molding you for success. Everything unfolds according to God's will and His timing. Remember, love one another, be kind to one another, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.